How to watch World Cup games in Australia. If you are in Australia and still don't know how to watch World Cup games, then don't worry, we got you covered. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. So to watch the World Cup games, all you need to do is install this app SBS On Demand. So SBS owns the right to stream the World Cup matches in Australia. So they are streaming it for free. All you need to do is simply have this app installed and create an account. So once you have it installed, simply open it. Now scroll down a bit. And here you'll find different sections. So here in live and upcoming sport, if any game is being played currently, then you will see the options here. So for now, as there is no match going on, so here you will see different games scheduled for tomorrow or upcoming days. Now again, if you scroll down a bit, you will see this section FIFA World Cup 2026 recently played. So basically here you will find all the games that were played before. So if you want to watch those games, then simply tap on it and then scroll and find the game that you want to watch. Once you find it, open it. And here you'll find different options like you want to watch full match, mini match, highlights and extended highlights. So tap whatever you want to watch. And last thing, as I said before, you need to create an account so that they can verify you are actually in Australia. So simply sign into it and you can start watching World Cup games. This is how you watch World Cup games in Australia. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.